So within CATIA V5, if you ever experience this, you will see that the part will become grayed out like this. And if you're gonna try to rotate, you're gonna see that actually the product tree will move. So the main problem when you have this is that you clicked by accident over here on the tree. So you see the cursor looks like this by default. And if I'm gonna move it over here, it will have this hand icon. And you just need to click once on that tree and you will go back to the default over here. Also, let's see if for some reason you activate this by mistake and afterwards you try to pan this, and you're gonna see that actually you are gonna pan the product tree now. And if you're gonna zoom in and zoom out, you are actually zooming in and zooming out within the product tree. So if I'm gonna make it all the way like this, really small and tiny over there in the corner, now you're gonna see that it's, let's say, nearly impossible to have this resetted. But in order to fix this, all you have to do is move the mouse cursor over here on the bottom right side, click once, and that will take you out of that. And afterwards, if you're just gonna fit all in, that will fit all in your model over here. But you're gonna have to activate this again. And once you are within this grade viewport, you're gonna see that the product tree will actually be over here small. But if you're just gonna fit all in, it will go back to the default over here. And afterwards, you can again activate the axis and you can go ahead and start working on this. So this was a quick tip because I know that a lot of people encounter this problem, especially people that are just getting started with CATIA. Maybe they just want to expand over here, for example, a component, and by mistake they will just click over there because it's quite easy to do that. As you can see, I can expand the part over here, but if I'm not paying attention, we're gonna see that the cursor will not change. So if I will click over here, this will go for that minus, but if I will have my mouse positioned a little bit at the top, it will actually click on the product tree link over here, and that will again create this problem. So remember, you can just fit all in and that will take this to default. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will position a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.